We're going to review using the box method to divide. We're going to take our dividend, divide it by our divisor so that we can get our quotient. And we're going to be using the box method. We're going to have several steps today. We have to know our multiples, and we're going to be using a lot of subtraction. So, ready? Let's go. We're going to take our total of 500. Let me get ready. We're going to take our total of 576. And we're going to be dividing it into 8 groups so that we can find out how many in each group. We're looking for our quotient. All right, so the first thing we do is get prepared. To get prepared, you need to write your 8s. We need 9 of our multiples. All the way to 9. Always make sure you count correctly. And we're going to count our 8s. 0. Our first 8 is 8, 16, 24, 32, 40. Lots of mistakes here. Make sure you're slowing it down. 40, 48, 56. See why it's important to know your multiplication facts? 56, 64, and 72. Let me clean that up just a little bit. We have our multiples. We are ready to start dividing. So we're going to set up our division using our divisor. We're going to write our 3-digit number inside the box. 5, 7, 6. And I like to move and leave that space there so that if we have to move over a number, we have space to do so. All right, so I'm going to ask myself, how many times can 8 be divided into 5? Well, I look over here. Remember, this is your top number. Yes, this is your top number. And notice we're already over 5. We're looking for 5, and we're already over. So we can't pick this one right here because we're already above the number 5 that we were looking for. So in this problem, we're going to grab our 0, saying no times. It cannot go in no times. And then we're going to move it over, and now we have a new number. We have 57. 57, we have something pretty close to 57. We have 56. That's pretty close. So my top number is 7, and what I'm going to be subtracting is 56. So let me write that now. My top number is 7. My bottom number is 56. And we know that that's a difference of 1. And I'm going to move over that 1, creating a new number, which is 16. 16, we saw that on our chart. Our top number is 2, and our bottom number is 16. Top number is 2, our bottom number is 16. We subtract and we get 0. But we're not done until we understand what each number means. So the answer to our problem is 72. 576 divided by 8 is 72. This could also be an answer, so we're going to practice circling it, saying no left over. No leftovers. Don't think I want an S, but no leftover. All right, so know your multiples and set up your box. Remember to subtract carefully. Slow it down here. Last, circle your quotient, and you're done. 8s were easy because it's on your multiplication chart, but I believe you're going to have 23s. And so guess what? When you start with your 23s, today, I'm going to need you to write out those 23. I'm going to need you to write out those 23s. They look just like this. That's my first 23. There's my second 23. I got my first 23 and my second, and so forth. You can do it. I promise you can. Slow down.